For version 2, we have 3 additional controls. The text box, a label can be used here, an edit icon, and a change icon as name. For the icon, you need to select up here, click add. You don't have to find the right icon from this selection because you can change it here. It's easier to scroll, and you can even type in to search. You can change the size as well as the color. I don't need any icon, therefore I remove it. For the search control here, the default selected items I commented out because I don't need this control to render selected POC. I want that to be here on this text box control. For the on change, the only thing I change is the variable name. I added the number 2 so that it can differentiate from version 1. For this text box control, in the display mode, I mark this disable, which can be added here. Should I want the user to make changes directly to the control, I can change it to edit. However, I don't want to, but I have that option. If I chose this label control, that option is not available. In the disable color, in the field, I want this control to have a white background instead of that grayish. What we don't want is all 4 controls to be on screen at the same time because that would confuse the user a lot. We want this search control to be visible when no POC has been selected, or if there is a change request when a POC already in place and we request for change. So that's why in the visible of the search, when the length is equal to 0, then we mark it true. If the length of the name is greater than 0, we go here. Now, within this false condition, we still want to check if the edit POC equal yes, because this is when we have someone selected, but the user would like to change. If that is the case, this search control should be visible, otherwise stay hidden with the false statement here. As for this text box, I would like that to be opposite of the search. So when the search is visible, it should be hidden. And with this statement here, I should be able to achieve that. This is the search control visible without the not. It would mirror image of the search control by doing shift 1 front of the control dot visible. It will behave opposite. The edit icon is also went away because it's visible is matching of the POC text visible. For the change icon, I want that to be visible when the var edit POC variable has a value of yes, otherwise stay hidden. Where's the edit POC variable initialized? In the edit icon. On select, set var edit POC equal to yes. So there's a lot to take in if you are new, but let's try this out. If I select a person, the var POC name has some value, therefore the search control should go away. And because the search control went away, the text box control become visible and also the edit control. Now if I click this edit control, I will set the var edit POC to yes. You see that? Var POC to yes. And because var POC is yes, the search control will become visible even though the POC name has value, but the var edit is yes. Now if I make a change, in this change icon on select, I just simply clear out the var edit POC. You see that? It went away. So now it's working. It's working as anticipated. We should need to realign this text box control in place of the search control, and that can be achieved rather easily. In the text box control under the Y attribute, I should make it equal to the search control Y, and I do the same thing for the X, the search control X. I know it's a lot to take in. If you would like a copy of this PowerApps, buy me coffee and I will send it over to you so you can study the control. You should need to rewire the data connection to your Office 365 and you should be able to test it. All right. If you find this helpful, please thumb up, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Take care.